Sorry. There's their kitty litter. Here's one of them. He's gonna go looking for his brother, who's right there. Hi. What you doing? Ah. Ow, your nails are sharp. Ow! Bit me. You guys are super friendly. This is where their food is. They've got 7 types of food, all different flavors. Whichever plate they finish first is the one that they probably like the best, and that's the one we'll give them. Kyle, my roommate, he just got a sample of each, and we set them out like that so we could figure out which one they like the best, and so far they seem to like this one the best. And they have a little water bowl there. This one likes being near the window.